Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. This is my lunch meal prep for the week. It's gonna be a keto Parmesan crusted salmon. It is delicious and I'm going to make it in my air fryer. I have been using my air fryer a ton and I just keep using it all the time because I love it so much. And it is so easy. Everything in the air fryer is just so easy. So I'm gonna be doing for this week Parmesan crusted salmon. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box. So if you wanna make it, check out that description box, it'll have the recipe. So I have my salmon, the Parmesan is gonna have Parmesan, a little bit of mayonnaise, and then it's gonna have some dill and some dried basil. And then I'm gonna have a side of broccoli. Broccoli is one of my favorite veggies. I always like to have a side of veggies with my lunches. And I got these air fryer paper liners. I've been using the air fryer a ton, like I said, and it is really easy to clean, but I thought I should get these and give them a try. And I've been using them a lot and the air fryer is just even easier to clean. So I love these. Got them on Amazon, so I will link these liners. You should definitely give them a try if you've been using your air fryer a lot. Just makes cleanup just so much easier. So I will link these. I'll link my air fryer as well because I've just been having so much fun with it. Tons of air fryer recipes on my channel if you've been around. If you are new to my channel, click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of healthy recipes for lots of meal prep inspiration to get you going for a healthy week of lunches and breakfasts for the week. So I will get all of this going, the nice healthy salmon that's Parmesan crusted cooked in my air fryer.
For the sauce, I have half a cup of mayonnaise and I have half a cup of Parmesan cheese. This is grated Parmesan cheese. You could use shredded as well, but I like to have this small grated Parmesan cheese. I have a teaspoon of dill and a teaspoon of dried basil. So I'm going to mix all this together and it's going to be kind of like a creamy paste once it's all mixed together. And it'll be so good and so much flavor. It's a keto recipe like most of my recipes. So it is really good, really healthy. And like I said, I'll put the recipe for this in the description box. But this sauce is so good on top of the salmon. So I like to cut my salmon before I cook it. So I have it cut into my portion sizes that I'm going to use for my lunch for each day this week. I'm going to put a little dollop onto each piece of salmon and then I will spread it over the piece all the way evenly so that the whole top of the salmon is coated with the Parmesan mayonnaise sauce. So I have my air fryer, I have my liner with my pieces of salmon on top of the liner. These are so great. Like I said, it literally makes cleanup absolutely no time, 1 second. You just pull the liner out. So I'm going to stick it in my air fryer. I'm going to cook it. I love everything air fryer is super quick.
All right, so my salmon in the air fryer is done. I have my steamed broccoli ready to go. So I'm going to portion out my lunch for the week. I always use my glass meal prep containers. I just love using glass over plastic. Just really great quality to have these. These I got on Amazon. If you need a new set of meal prep containers, I will link these in the description box. So check them out on Amazon if you need some new ones. These are wonderful, perfect for meal prepping for the whole week. So I'm gonna portion everything into my containers and then I'm ready to go. All right, this delicious lunch was really easy to make, so quick. The salmon in the air fryer is delicious. So check the recipe that I will have in the description box if you want to make this one. It's really good, so I hope that you do. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel and click that bell button so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of meal prepping on the weekends, some meal prepping for my kids also during the week. So check out all those videos if you haven't already. Hope that you have a great weekend and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.